I'm Dr. Paul Shadler, Medical Director of the Health Center at Auraria, here to tell you about the college's student health insurance policy. Metro State has had a mandatory health insurance requirement for the past 3 decades. The mandatory policy remains, but important procedural changes have been implemented. It's extremely important that you comply with the college health insurance policy each semester, that you take 9 credit hours or more in order to avoid having a student account put on hold. A hold on your account will prevent you from registering for any classes until you become fully compliant with the college's health insurance policy. When you register for 9 or more credit hours, you'll receive an email at your official Metro State email account that informs you of where to go to complete an insurance selection form. You'll need to choose one of 2 options. Option 1, purchase the college-offered insurance. Or Option 2, submit outside insurance. If you choose Option 2, your outside insurance plan must meet each of the college's insurance compliance standards. The college compliance standards include the following. Number 1, it must be a comprehensive insurance plan that covers medical care for both injury and illness, including outpatient and inpatient medical services. You need to be aware, diagnosis-only policies, such as cancer policies, hospitalization-only policies, catastrophic care policies, these type of policies do not comply. Number 2, the annual deductible needs to be $5,000 or less per individual. Number 3, mental health coverage, including both inpatient and outpatient benefits, must be included. Number 4, the lifetime maximum of the policy needs to be $750,000 or more. And number 5, prescription drug coverage must be fully insured. That is, it can't just be a prescription discount program. Prior to discussing how to complete the insurance selection form, I'd like to take just a few minutes to share with you some important details regarding the college-sponsored health plan. The college-sponsored plan is offered at an extremely low cost and has excellent benefits. They now include all of the federally mandated health benefits that are required of all insurance carriers in 2014. These enhanced benefits now include 100% coverage for all medical services provided at the Health Center at Auraria with no deductible and no coinsurance. A low $20 copay for medications dispensed by the Health Center. Many preventive care benefits are covered with no deductibles and no coinsurance. There's a low medical deductible of $300. After deductible, in-network covered benefits are paid at 80%. There's no annual maximum benefit for prescriptions, no annual maximum benefit for x-rays or laboratory services, and the maximum out-of-pocket expenses per year is limited to $5,950. There's no pre-existing exclusions, and there is an unlimited lifetime maximum. We encourage you to compare the specific benefits and costs of the college-sponsored plan with any community plan. I'll now outline how to complete the insurance selection form. Regardless of what you choose, first review your personal profile data for accuracy. This information will automatically populate the screen based on the username you entered to access the system. Then carefully read the disclosures section and check the box entitled Acknowledgements Authorizations, which includes the HIPAA authorization. If you choose to purchase the college-offered health insurance plan, go to Option 1, check the box entitled Purchase College Plan, then Submit, which will take you to ECI's website. At ECI's website, you'll need to complete an enrollment application, and you must provide a credit card number or an electronic check. You can choose to pay immediately or defer payment until after census date, which is about 2 weeks after classes begin each semester. If you're on financial aid, this means you will not have to pay until after financial aid is awarded. Keep in mind, the college includes the cost of health insurance in your financial aid package. You must remember to set aside the resources needed to cover the cost of the insurance. If instead of purchasing the college insurance, you choose to submit outside insurance information for auditing, go to Option 2 and check the box entitled Submit Outside Insurance. Before completing the required fields in Option 2, you should confirm the following. Number 1, that your plan meets all of the college's compliance standards, we previously talked about. And number 2, that your plan is not one of the following types which are not acceptable for compliance purposes. A short-term medical plan does not qualify. The Colorado Indigent Care Program, known as CICP, does not qualify. And a health savings account without an associated insurance plan does not qualify. All communications related to your insurance selection form submission will be directed to your official MetroState email account, not your personal email. Be sure to check that account regularly for any follow-up communications from the college. If you have any questions regarding how to comply with these requirements, you can call the Health Center. The number is 303-556-2525, or you can stop by the Student Insurance Office. It's located in Plaza Building, room 149. All of us here at the Health Center at Auraria wish you success in your academic endeavors. We're here to serve you. Please return at this time to the Insurance Compliance website. Carefully read all of the associated content and submit your insurance selection form. Thank you for the time it's taken to comply with the college's health insurance policy.